Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily get Stripe Webhook Secret Key. So here's how you can easily get Stripe Webhook Secret Key. To securely receive events from Stripe, you need to set up a webhook endpoint and obtain the webhook secret key. This key ensures that the events sent to your server are genuinely from Stripe and haven't been tampered with. So first step is just go over to dashboard.stripe.com and log in with your credentials. Ensure you're in the correct mode, test or live by toggling the mode switch at the top right corner of the dashboard. In the left-hand menu, click on Developers, and from the drop-down, select Webhooks. Just click on the Add Endpoint button. In the endpoint URL field, enter the URL of your server where you want to receive Stripe events. Click on Select Events to choose the events you wish to listen for, and after selecting the desired events, click Add Events. Finally, click on Add Endpoint to save your new webhook endpoint. Once the endpoint is added, you'll be redirected to the webhook details page. Locate the signing secret section, click on Reveal to display the secret key. Copy the secret key and store it securely. This key is used to verify that incoming events are from Stripe. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!